Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science Video Section Standard 3. Lesson 3 to Plants. Plants in this today we are going to learn about plant pots and their function. Plant has many pots. Each pot has a set of function to do. The basic parts of the plants are root, stem, leaf, flower, fruits, and seed. Let us learn more about these parts. First part is root. This is the structure of the root. The root of the plant mostly grow under the soil. The root can be different shapes and size. It grow away from sunlight. The main function of the root is hold the plant firmly to the ground. It helps to absorb water, salt, mineral from the soil and transport these up to the stem of the plant. These are the function of the root. Root have two types: tap root and fibrous root. First, tap root. Tap root has one main thick root. It grows from the radius and goes deep into the soil. Many small thin roots grow out from the main root. These are the tap root. The vegetables, most trees and vegetables like carrot, radish have tap root. Then fibrous root. Fibrous root have the thin branching root arising from the base of the stem. This is the base of the stem. This is the fibrous root. Most of the fibrous roots, they do not go deep into the soil. The most of the grass farm have fibrous root. Coconut, banana, grass, onion have fibrous root. Now we discuss difference between tap root and fibrous root. We already know what is tap root and what is fibrous. That's point only coming here. So I simply reading. Thin main root that goes deep into the soil is called tap root. No main root and the root do not go deep into the soil. It's all fibrous root. Side roots are developed from the main root. Roots are developed from the base of the stem. Root look like a long tap. Root look like a punch. Punch means group. These are the function and the structure of the root. Next type is stem. Stem is the main part of the plant. It grows toward the upward from the root and grow longer toward the sunlight. It looks like green when it is young. It looks brown when it is old. Branches, leaves, buds, flower and fruits grow from the stem. Main function of the stem is hold the plant erect and carry water and nutrition from the root to the other part of the plant. This is the main function of the stem. Some of the stem are modified to store food, like sugarcane, potato stems are stored extra food in the stem. Sugarcane, potato, ginger, onion, lotus root, that stems that we are eating in our daily life. So these are the root plant stem that we eat. This is the function and structure of stem. Next we discuss about leaf. Leaves origin from the surface of the stem. It is flat, thick and green. The leaves of different plants have different shapes, size and color. Then all leaves contain chlorophyll. In some plants, the leaves have different colors. So the green color is not present there. So that color chlorophyll is a pigment that is that have small amount in the leaf. Contain chlorophyll, the green pigment in the leaf. They trap the sunlight to make food. Chlorophyll helps to prepare the food for leaf, food for plant. So leaf is called as the food factory of the plant. Food factory of the plant. The other main function of the leaf is they give food to all the parts and also helps to breathe. The plant also breathe. They exchange the oxygen and take the carbon dioxide. We are taking the oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Likewise, plant also take the carbon dioxide and release oxygen through leaf. The leaf contain stomata. That stomata only exchange the gases. They present under the leaf. The leaves of some plants are edible and rich in nutrients. The spices, mint that are eatable thing. Next we discuss the spines, cereal, coriander, mint leaves that we eat. Next, this is a function and a structure. This is the structure and the function of a leaf. Next, flower. Flower are most beautiful, attractive and colorful part of the plant. There are different shapes, size, color and filaments. A flower develop from the bud. The soft and bright colored part of a flower is called petal. The green part lies under the petal and support it is called sepal. The middle part of flower has two parts, stamen and pistil. These are the parts of a flower, common parts of the flower. The main function of the flower is develop into fruits. It helps plant to reproduce. We often see butterfly, bee and other insect visiting flower. They are attracted by the bright color and pleasant scents of the flower. Flowers have nectar in them. This nectar is food for the bee and the butterfly. This nectar only change into honey. Nowadays we are using that honey. Next we discuss about fruits. Fruits are fleshy parts of the plant. The fruits are formed from flower. The fruits also produce the seeds. New plant grown from seeds. Some fruits have many seeds. Some fruits have single seed. Some fruits have only one seed. That fruits are single seeds. Example, apricot, avocado and mango. Next, some fruits have many seeds. There are multiple seeds. Example, pomegranate, apple, guava, custard apple. Some fruits have no seeds. That fruits are banana, pineapple. These are the fruits, structural fruits and seeds. Students, I hope that you would understood this section. Thank you.